Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from WHATSYOURFORTE, and today I'm going to be installing the carbon fiber interior trim from Auto Technic in my F90 M5. Special shout out for Auto Technic for getting this carbon fiber trim shipped out super quick. I will be putting my discount code right up here, so you guys, if you are looking for any of the Auto Technic carbon, you can use that discount code and get up to 10% off. All right, so they also sent this shirt, as you guys can kind of see right here, the Auto Technic shirt, which looks really good. I'll let y'all check out the back of the shirt, kind of like right there. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that, but it's got like the big Auto Technic flag on the back, and it looks really, really good. Shirt feels pretty good too, but let's go ahead and get to what we're really here for. All right, let's get it. All right, so this is the carbon fiber interior package. Like I said, get this from Auto Technic. So this is going to be the shifter, some door carbon, some other accessory carbon that's in the car. So this is going to be overlays, and as you can kind of see, they have 3M tape on the back already supplied. So all you have to do is peel that tape off, stick it to that surface, probably hold it down on the corners for about 20-30 seconds, and you're good to go. This should be a pretty quick, easy install. And I'm bringing that to y'all today, and then we're going to see a before and after just to see how this is going to change up the interior. So let's go ahead and get to this install. All right, everyone, so just kind of giving you a view of what it's actually going to replace. So this silver trim that is right here on the door, that's where a carbon overlay is going to go. It's going to replace this piece right here. It's going to also replace this piece right here. Also on that door, we also have this piece right here, and then also right here. And then in the rear, it's going to replace the silver trim in the rear as well. So it's going to change out all that to carbon, and it is going to look really, really good. Well, at least I think so. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. So let's go ahead and get to the install. All right, everyone, so this is the door, and this is kind of what the trim is going to look like. So it looks like you want to line up the edge points first. So I'm going to line up the edge points first, and then it should slide right over. So definitely looks like it's cut very nicely, very well, and you will not be able to see any of the regular aluminum fiber that was underneath it. So let me go ahead and peel off this 3M tape. You want to also make sure your surface is clean. I have already cleaned the surface off camera, so I'm good to go there. So let's go ahead and peel off this 3M and get this onto the surface. All right, I got all the 3M tape off. So I'm gonna start with this edge first. I'm gonna push up close to where the ambient light is. Make sure this edge is good, which it is. All right, everything looks good. So now I'm just gonna press down. I'm gonna press down around the edges where I know the tape is at. Make sure everything's sitting where it's supposed to be. Alright. Alright, there we go. I know it's pretty simple, right? Yeah, I like it. Still see the ambient lighting. Everything looks good. Covers all the old gray. We're good to go. So now let's go ahead and do the rest of the car. All right, everyone, so the carbon on the doors has been installed. Carbon right here has been installed. I got carbon here now, and then also on that door, and then also on the rear doors as well. So we also have this part down here, the little tray cover right here has carbon, and this piece up here is carbon. So the last piece is going to be around the iDrive controller. So what you're going to have to do first is go into your actual center section here. Get like a little flathead or plastic trim tool, and you'll need to get underneath here. So once you get underneath here, you just kind of have to pry up, and you'll see it'll kind of just pop up like so. And then you can just kind of pull up from there and take this part out. Once you take that part out, then you'll have access to be able to slide the carbon piece right onto it, which is right here. So here's a carbon piece. I've already taken off all the pre-3M on this side, and you kind of just want to slide it in. So you're going to kind of slide it in on the back end side, make sure that it's lining up. So it's got to line up kind of like right over here. So it does. Then you want to make sure that it goes over the iDrive controller right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this situated, and when I come back, I'll show you what it looks like when it's complete. All right, everyone, so the centerpiece is installed. So that kind of gives you a top-down look right there on how it looks. Looks really good, fits really good. And then you close the door there, and that's how it's gonna look there. So it gives you a full carbon look on the interior to match with everything else that has been done. So looks really good. All right, everyone, so you saw what the finished product looks like. The Auto Technic carbon interior trim looks great, and I do recommend it for any F90 M5 owner. Again, my discount code be popping up right here on the screen, so you can save up to 10% off any of the Auto Technic carbon fiber that you may see in their store. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.